This is the video to learn how to find and use sticky notes in Windows 11. So click here and search sticky and click on this sticky notes. If you don't have that one, so click on install on Windows. Then just click on download. It will take the couple of seconds on your browser or open this your Windows Store. And just click on get. Wait till this downloading and installing process will be complete. So once first time you open, you will see this notice. Now here give any name like testing. Same, you can open another note. You can bold, italic, underline, stick through. You can insert the bullets and pictures. Once you're done, click on this cross. Got it. Now here you will see that note. Same here, alright. Click on plus. Testing 3, testing 4. And this all notes list will available here. To see your all notes, click on note list like this, and you can keep in your Windows anyway. And once you open, all your sticky notes will be opened. You can delete any note here. You can change the color. So this is the way you can use sticky notes in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.